You okay? You okay?
Yeah.
This is a simple way to ask if someone is alright.
Morning.
Morning. Breakfast?
I'm on my way to work. I just came home to shower and change.
Gotcha.
What?
You okay?
I'm good.
Good.
Hi, I'm Tatiana, and today we will learn some common English phrases that native speakers use all the time in casual conversations. These aren't formal expressions that you would find in textbooks. These are real phrases that you will hear in movies and you can use with family, friends, and coworkers. So, if you want to sound natural and confident when speaking English, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started.
Take your time.
Take your time. We use this phrase to tell someone that there is no rush. I mean, we tell them that they can do something at their own pace. For example, I call my friend and I ask him, "Hey, are you ready?" And my friend answers, "I'm sorry, I'm still getting dressed." And I answer, "No problem, take your time." No problem, take your time. Or your friend says, "I don't know, I need time to think." And you answer, "Sure, take your time." Sure, take your time.
Don't worry. It's all good.
All good, all good. It means no problem, everything is okay. Example number one, your friend says, "I'm sorry, I'm late." And you answer, "All good, all good."
New shoes.
I'm going to that transformer.
Okay,
I meant alone.
gotcha.
Gotcha. Gotcha. It means I understand or I got it. For instance, we'll leave around 8, okay? And later you say, "Gotcha. I'll be ready."
I should get going.
Yep.
I should get going. I should get going. This is another way to say, it is time for me to leave. For instance, it is getting late. I should get going. And the other person says, "Okay, catch you later."
Then what? So, long story short, he's not.
No, what?
Long story short. Long story short. It means I will tell you the short version of the story. For instance, "So what happened on your trip?" And the other person says, "Long story short, we got lost and we missed the flight."
Maybe when I come back down, we can have dinner. My treat.
My treat. My treat. This means I'll pay for you. I will pay for you. You use it when you are invited someone and you are offering to cover the cost. Example number one. Let's grab a coffee. And the other person says, "Sounds good." And later you say, "My treat today. My treat today."
Oh, wait. I guess I'm off.
I'm off. I'm off. It means I am leaving now. I am leaving now. For example, your friend says, "All right, I'm off. See you tomorrow." And later you say, "Take care." Example number 2. You say to your friend, I'm off to the gym. Wanna come? And your friend says, not today, but thanks.
Marion, you must be hungry.
Not really.
Not really. Not really. It means kind of no, but politely. For example, are you into scary movies? Not really. Or did you like the food? Not really. It was a bit cold.
We should do a sensitivity read.
That's a good call, Vera. Due diligence.
Great call.
Good call. Good call. It means that was a smart decision. That was a smart decision. For example, let's take a taxi instead of walking. And you say, yeah, good call. Good call.
Is he on the mark?
Not yet.
Kyle, what's he doing?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet. It means no, but maybe soon. For example, have you already finished your project? And if you answer not yet, it means that you haven't finished your project yet, but you will end it in 3 hours, tomorrow, next week, later. But you will end it. Thanks for watching. See you later to continue learning more vocabulary like this. Bye!